I'm going to show you how to do a t-test using PSPP. I'm using this example from the handout. Researcher is interested in the effect experiences on people's fearfulness when they engage in scary activities, such as parachuting. He thought experienced people would be less fearful than inexperienced people, novices. So he did the following study. 6 people were going to undertake their first parachute jumping from an airplane in their lives, and 6 people who have been trained in the activity for more than a year have been selected. One group was experienced, the other group was inexperienced. The researcher measured each person's fearfulness just before jumping from 1 to 10. 1 means not fearful, 10 means extremely fearful. The following are the data the researcher has collected from the experiment. First question, does this research have a within subject design or between subject design? It's between subject design. Let's do the PSPP test. So we have 2 groups. One group is experienced. The first variable is group. And group is group 1. 1 is let's experience. Is group 1 experienced or inexperienced? Inexperienced, more fearful. Group 2, experienced. Okay. And then the other variable is fear. Here, let's have 2 decimal points. And so group 1, how many people? 6. Yeah, no. I have zeros and ones, right? 0 is inexperienced. How can I change? No. I want to change this to 0. 0. Cancel. I delete it. Oh no. I'm gonna do this one more time again. Get rid of, how can I get rid of? No. Yeah, I'll just leave it there. Experienced, inexperienced. So subject numbers 1, 6 people, inexperienced, experienced, and they are fearfulness. Next, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3. How people analyze, compare means, independent sample t-test. Test variable is fear. Grouping variable, group. You got to define the groups. Group one value, do I have a choice? Yeah, inexperienced. Group two, experienced. Continue. Do we have options? No change here. So we have the group, this on the descriptive statistics, group means, degrees freedom. It is significant. And here's a degrees freedom. You look at this one, degrees freedom is 10. So you have two groups. The first group degree freedom is 6 minus 1, that's 5. For the second group, 6 minus 1, that's 5. Between the two groups, you have 10 degrees freedom, and the t-value is 12.65. Significance level, highly significant. P smaller than 0.001. That's how you do a t-test for independent means when you have a between subject design.